In today's lesson, we're going to learn the expression, getting your money's worth. I want to explain exactly what it means to get your money's worth. So, are you ready to learn some fun expressions with money? So as I explore the expression called get your money's worth, there will be an activity at the end. So what does it mean to get your money's worth? Well, imagine you go to a fancy restaurant. You order a meal that looks absolutely delicious. And when you take a bite, it tastes even better than you expected. The portion sizes are generous, and you leave the restaurant feeling satisfied and happy. In this situation, you can say that you got your money's worth. Get your money's worth means that you received good value for the money. It's likely that you're going to say that you enjoyed being in the restaurant, and the benefit from what you paid is a way of saying that you were satisfied with your purchase or the experience. Now, let's take a closer look at another example. Imagine you and your family decide to go to a theme park. Your parents buy tickets for all of you. The tickets are expensive, but when you enter the park, you have an incredible day filled with exciting rides, fun games, and yummy snacks. At the end of the day, you realize that the memories and joy you experienced were totally worth the money spent on the tickets. You might even say, we really got our money's worth at the theme park today. The expression, get your money's worth, can be used in many different situations. It's not just about spending money. It's about feeling like you've received something valuable in return. For example, if you buy a new game and it provides hours of entertainment, you can say, I definitely got my money's worth with this game. Now, are you ready for a little activity? I'll give you a few scenarios, and you can imagine if you got your money's worth or not. Are you ready? Scenario number 1. You and your friends decide to go to a movie theater. The movie is fantastic, and you enjoy every minute of it. Popcorn and drinks are also included. Did you get your money's worth? Scenario number 2. You buy a new book, but when you start reading it, you find it boring and uninteresting. Did you get your money's worth? Scenario number 3. Your family goes on a vacation to a beautiful beach resort. You have an amazing time swimming, building sandcastles, and playing games with your friends. Did you get your money's worth? I know you're doing great understanding getting your money's worth because you're thinking and reflecting on the 3 scenarios. So if you're getting the hang of it, remember, get your money's worth It's all about feeling like you received good value or benefit from what you spent your money on. So, the next time you have a fun experience or purchase something that you really enjoy and it brings lots of enjoyment, remember to use the expression, get your money's worth. It will make your English sound more natural and fluent and show that you appreciate the value you've received. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Get your money's worth.